Hello everyone, Naz this side from nazislam.com, and in this video I will show you how you can create classes in JavaScript. So I can create a class using the class keyword, and you want to specify the name of that class. Let's say the name of our class is a car, and I can specify the attributes for this class inside of this set of curly braces. So like let's say I have a make for this class, which we assign this to, let's say, Mazda, and we have a model for this car class which has a value of Miata um, MX-5. So now at this point, um, if I want to create an object from this car class, I can do that using um, const c1 and with the new keyword and with the name of the car class with this parenthesis. So at this point, if I console out our new car class, so I will be able to accept the make and also the model for this class. So this is how we create classes, and we instantiate an object of this class using this new keyword, and then we can specify or like call the separate values or the attributes from a class. So let's run this. So we would see that we get a Mazda and a Miata MX-5 as the make and model for the car class. So this is how you can create a custom class using JavaScript. So you can ask that how can you make this class a dynamic? Dynamic in the sense that let's say I want to pass the make and model like inside of this parenthesis, and I want to get like different kinds of cars um, from this car class or the blueprint. So in order to do that, we have to call the constructor function. Let's call it constructor, and this will take two arguments, the make and the model for the class, and which we want to assign. So we want to have this hard-coded value inside of our car class. So let's delete that, and instead what we will have is that we want to, so this make and this model maps to this first parameter of this car um, constructor for this class, and the second argument maps to this model. So let's give it a name. Let's say our Mazda and Miata MX-5. And now if I want to assign this to the make and model for this class, I can assign this using this keyword. So what this means is that get the make and model from the um, initiator function and to the assign this to the specific fields for this class, um, this car class. So let's call this model, and which we want to um, assign this to model. So at this point, if we want to print the make and model for this car, we can do that in this way. So let's run this, and this printed our car or the C1 object. Let's create another object, C2, which would have a make of, let's say, Tesla, and a model, let's say, Model Y. Let's print our C2 object, which represents the Tesla car. If we print that, so you would see that This way, we are creating um, two separate classes based on the inputs for the car class. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.